So got the old stuff off, got the new stuff on. First, I didn't have a bench vise to be able to hold this steel, so I just kind of tied it to a tree. Honestly, that's what I did. I just tied it to a tree, and I was able to separate it, but unfortunately this bearing here, I didn't have any way to press that off, so I ended up having to take it to a Driveshaft shop. They charged me 40 bucks to press off the old bearing and put on the new one and then put it back together. And I already had these lines here marked to keep them, to keep it straight of how it came apart, so I didn't have to worry about marking anything. But if you're going to separate these, it's a good idea to go ahead and make sure you have a mark on both sides to make sure you put it back together the same way. Alright, so my camera cut out. That's alright. Driveshaft is in. What I had to do though was take the yoke off of the donut and then slide the yoke in and then attach the donut back on with the whole driveshaft and everything. And also, if you get your center support bolts just kind of started, that'll really help hold the whole driveshaft in there. And so right now, what we're going to be doing is tightening the rear.